Welcome back, English learners. My name is Adam, and I'm joined by...
Sarah.
How are you, Sarah?
I'm doing great, Adam. And you?
Excellent. I'm doing well, and I'm really excited about our lesson for today.
That's right. We've got an interesting lesson today, and we're going to study some real English today.
The English that is commonly used in daily communication.
Correct. It refers to the genuine English spoken by native speakers.
That's right. Today, we'll be listening in on how to talk about your daily routine.
We'll keep it simple, relaxed, and hopefully fun as well.
Sounds perfect. So, who's going first? Me or you?
You go first. Let's kick things off with the first question.
Never mind. Let's start, love. Okay. Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Adam. I am well, thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept quite well. I went to bed at about 10:30. What about you?
I went to bed at 11. I slept well too. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. And you?
I wake up at 6. I like to have a little extra time in the morning.
That is sensible. What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
First, I get out of bed and open the window. Then I make the bed. What about you?
I check the time on my phone and then I get up slowly.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I always take a shower. It helps me feel fresh. Do you also take a shower?
Yes, I do. I take a quick shower, about 10 minutes.
After your shower, what do you do?
I brush my teeth and get dressed. Then I go to the kitchen. And you?
I do the same. Then I make a cup of tea.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the morning. In the afternoon, I sometimes drink coffee. What about you?
I prefer coffee in the morning. I need coffee to feel awake.
How do you make your coffee?
I use a coffee machine. I drink it with a little milk and no sugar.
That sounds nice. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I have cereal. What about you?
I often eat porridge or toast with jam.
Do you eat breakfast at home or at work?
I eat at home. I like a calm morning.
Yes, me too. What time do you leave the house?
I leave at 7:45. I take the bus to work. And you?
I leave at 8. I usually drive my car.
Is the traffic busy in the morning?
Yes, sometimes it is very busy. But I leave early, so it is not too bad.
That is good. How long does your journey take?
About 30 minutes. What about your bus journey?
Around 40 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I often read or listen to music. Sometimes I just look out of the window.
That sounds relaxing.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock. And you?
I also start at 9.
What do you do during your first working hour?
I check emails and plan my tasks. What about you?
I usually attend meetings or work on reports.
Do you have a break in the morning?
Yes, at 11. I usually have a cup of coffee. And you?
I have tea and a small snack.
What time do you have lunch?
At 1 o'clock. I eat with my colleagues.
I have lunch at 12:30. I usually bring food from home.
What kind of food do you bring?
Rice, chicken, or vegetables. Simple food. And you?
I often bring sandwiches or salad.
Do you work out during the week?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week after work. What about you?
I work out at home in the evening, about 30 minutes.
That is very good.
What time do you finish work?
At 5:30. And you?
At 5.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I go home, have dinner, and sometimes watch TV. And you?
I cook dinner and then watch a program or read.
What kind of programs do you like?
I like dramas and documentaries. What about you?
I like news and comedy shows.
Do you eat dinner late?
No, around 7. And you?
Around 6:30.
After dinner, what do you do?
I relax, sometimes talk with family and prepare for the next day.
That is good. What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30. What about you?
Around 11.
It seems we both have quite similar routines.
Yes, we do. It is nice to have a simple and organized day.
I agree. A good routine makes life easier.
Indeed. It was nice talking with you, Sarah.
It was nice talking with you too, Adam.
Thank you. And that's where we'll leave it for today. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share the podcast with your friends and family. It really does make a tremendous difference, and we're most grateful for your support.